I need to show you something, and you're probably not going to like it. Yesterday, I received an email from BNP Media. They're launching another flexible packaging buyer's guide, and they sent it to thousands of manufacturers, maybe you too. Here's the subject line. End your supplier search now. Flexible packaging buyer's guide. Sounds great, right? Here's what they're really selling you. Expensive invisibility for $10,000. Let me show you the scam line by line. This is a $10,000 lie. Let's start with the opening line. If you're still relying on generic search engines to find flexible packaging solutions, converters, or equipment, there's a better way. Let me translate that for you. What that really is saying is Google is bad, AI search is bad, and our dead directory at BNP is better. Here's the truth they won't tell you. 90 to 95% of all search is now being done through AI tools. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude. These tools don't care about directory listings. They care about specific solutions, detailed content, trust signals, proof of expertise. BNP's directory has none, zero. The next line, industry verified listings. Sounds official, right? Here's what verified actually means. You were paid, you paid them, or whoever listed paid them. That's it. No third-party validation, no performance metrics, no customer reviews. Pay $10,000 and get verified. That's the verification. And here's my favorite part, the closing line. Stay competitive, stay connected. Let me translate that. Stay scared, keep paying, that's what they mean. This is fear-based selling at its finest. But let me show you what $10,000 actually buys you. This is the first page of their directory. Notice anything? It's alphabetical, by company name. When was the last time a buyer said, I need packaging equipment? Let me start with companies that begin with the letter A. Never. That's not how buyers search. That's not how AI searches either. But that's how BNP organizes their directory. Let's look at these verified, quote-unquote, listings. Aero Systems provides digital printing and finishing equipment for labels and packaging. Davis Standard, your trusting partner for innovative packaging solutions. And Kempf, a leader in slitting and winding technology for over 100 years. You notice anything that's missing? Anything specific? Problems that are solved? Case studies, pricing guidance, comparisons, trust signals, everything that a buyer and AI needs to make a decision. These companies paid $10,000 to say absolutely nothing useful. And here's BNP's big value add. You get to add the RFP button to your listing. Translation: we made it easy for buyers to send you an RFP request, so you can waste about 40 hours quoting a project that will never close. This isn't lead generation. This is quote generation. And quotes don't equal sales. Now let's do the math. You pay BNP $10,000, and what do you get? You get 3-sentence generic description, alphabetical placement, unless you pay more, of course, for premium, a read more button that leads to generic copy, and an add to RFP button that generates unqualified quote requests. Zero AI discoverability, zero trust signals, zero proof of expertise, zero qualified sales opportunities for $10,000. Now here's the part that makes me want to flip a table. These same manufacturers who will write $10,000 checks to BNP without blinking tell me they need to think about a $1,500 visibility blueprint that would actually save their business. So why do manufacturers keep falling for this? I'll tell you why. Because these directories aren't selling you leads. They're selling you alibis. ThomasNet lets you tell your boss, we're listed everywhere. BNP Media says, or lets you say, we're the buyer's guide. Zoom Info lets you claim we have the data. Trade shows let you post great connections at Pack Expo. None of it produces revenue, but it all produces cover. When sales are down, you can point to these expenses and say, we're doing everything right, it's just a tough market. But that's bullshit. The market isn't tough. Your strategy is invisible. Now, we've tested dozens of packaging manufacturers. The average AI trust score, the score for AI to find a company from your website, 49%. That's a failing grade. AI literally cannot find you, cannot cite you as a solution, and you're wondering why sales are down? Let me show you what the average manufacturer spends annually on this garbage. ThomasNet premium listing, 10 grand. ENP media directories, 12,000. Zoom subscription, Zoom info subscription, 18 grand. Expo booth, between 10, 25, even 75 grand. Other trade shows between 10 and 25 grand. Industry sponsorships, $15,000. Total, about $150,000. For what? Quotes from unqualified prospects. Badge scans that never convert. Impressions that mean nothing. The ability to say we're everywhere. But it's not. It's not everywhere. It doesn't lead to sales. Not revenue, not growth, not cash. You're funding your own extinction and calling it marketing. Look, I'm not here to beat you up. I'm here to wake you up because the game has changed. AI search has replaced Google. Buyers don't browse directories anymore, and the old playbook is mathematically doomed. But here is the good news. You can fix this for a fraction of what you're spending on directories that don't work anyhow. We've built a system specifically for manufacturers in the packaging space. 3 steps. Step 1, discovery blueprint. 90-minute interview to uncover 1 or 2 key niches, hidden gold mines you're sitting on. A business and competitive analysis as well that will lead to immediate sales. Step 2 is the AI marketplace. We turn your expertise into AI readable, sticky content and publish it onto a platform designed to be found by AI and decision makers. And step 3, your very own AI agent. We train a dedicated agent on your solutions to actively find, educate, and qualify prospects. The result? Revenue-ready opportunities for your team. Not quotes, not leads, sales, cash, dollars. The Discovery Blueprint is $1,500. That's it, one time. Again, you get a complete competitive and business analysis, an AI trust signal report showing exactly why you're invisible and how to fix it. $1,500 versus $10,000 that you're about to just piss away. The choice is yours. I'm going to leave you with one question. How much longer are you going to pay for invisibility? Because while you're thinking about it, your competitors are adapting. And the market doesn't wait for the slow. If you got that email from BNP Media or any directory pitch like it, drop a comment below. Let me know if you're ready to stop funding this entire racket and scam. And if you want to learn more about the AI sales machine for packaging manufacturers, drop a comment below. The link is in the description as well. Thanks for watching. Stop being a turkey voting for Thanksgiving. If you like this video, please like it, please subscribe, and again, please share it with somebody it could help. Thanks.